On January 26, 2025, Iran announced via national television that its Shahid 149 Gaza unmanned combat aerial vehicle UCAV has become fully operational, marking a significant milestone in its drone program. The announcement follows the successful use of the drone during the Great Prophet 2025 military exercises, where it demonstrated precision by striking multiple simulated targets. This development strengthens Iran's military capabilities, particularly in surveillance and precision strike operations. First unveiled in 2021 and operational since 2022, the Shahid 149 is part of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps IRGC Aerospace Force. The medium-altitude, long-endurance, male drone features a 21-meter wingspan, a payload capacity of 500 kilograms, and can operate at altitudes of up to 35,000 feet. With a cruising speed of 215 kilometers per hour and an endurance of 25 hours, the drone is highly versatile in conducting extended reconnaissance and strike missions. Equipped with advanced technologies like electro-optical/infrared EO/IR sensors, synthetic aperture radar SAR, and satellite communication SATCOM, the Shahid 149 is capable of beyond line-of-sight operations. These systems enable real-time intelligence gathering and targeting, making it a critical asset for intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance (ISTAR) missions. The drone is armed with 8 SED-345 precision-guided glide bombs, each weighing 34 kilograms and featuring electro-optical and GPS navigation systems. These bombs have an accuracy of 2.5 to 5 meters, a lethal radius of 30 meters, and are designed to strike both stationary and moving targets with minimal collateral damage. With a range of up to 4,000 kilometers, the Shahid 149 can target strategic assets across the Middle East, including military bases, infrastructure, and high-value targets. This capability reinforces Iran's asymmetric warfare strategy and expands its ability to project power regionally, drawing design inspiration from the American MQ-9 Reaper and the Chinese CH-4 Rainbow drones. The Shahid 149 offers a low-cost alternative for reconnaissance and offensive missions. While it lacks the advanced materials and avionics of its Western and Chinese counterparts, Iran's adaptation of these technologies has resulted in an effective and reliable platform for regional conflicts. The operational deployment of the Shahid 149 Gaza highlights Iran's growing self-reliance in military drone technology. As tensions persist in the Middle East, this development has the potential to significantly impact regional security dynamics, particularly for nations like Israel, Saudi Arabia, and the United States, which are closely monitoring Iran's advancements.